My name is Adam, and I live in the United States. I work as an English teacher, and I love my job. Teaching is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about helping students grow. I am married to a loving wife, and we have 3 wonderful children. They are my biggest source of happiness. My family and my job keep me motivated every day. My daily routine is simple yet busy. I wake up early every morning, around 5:30 a.m. Waking up before everyone gives me some quiet time to prepare for the day. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and legs while still in bed. Stretching helps me feel fresh and removes the sleepiness from my body. After that, I go to the bathroom to freshen up. I wash my face with cold water, which wakes me up immediately. Then, I brush my teeth and feel clean. Once I'm done in the bathroom, I head back to my room to do some light exercises. These stretches and movements prepare my body for the day ahead. I then go to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee. The smell of freshly brewed coffee fills the air and makes me feel happy. It's a peaceful start to my morning. While drinking my coffee, I sit at the dining table and think about my plans for the day. This quiet moment helps me organize my thoughts. After finishing my coffee, I start preparing breakfast for my family. Pancakes are a favorite in my house, so I often make them in the mornings. My wife usually wakes up while I'm cooking. She joins me in the kitchen, and we work together to prepare the table and get everything ready. Soon, my children wake up and come to the dining table. They greet me with sleepy smiles and happily eat the breakfast I made for them. Breakfast is a special time for us as a family. We share stories, laugh, and talk about our plans for the day. It's a warm and loving start to our day. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen and get ready for work. I take a quick shower, change into my work clothes, and pack my bag with the materials I need. Before leaving, I say goodbye to my wife and children. They hug me tightly, and their love gives me energy for the day ahead. I drive to school, which takes about 20 minutes. On the way, I listen to relaxing music or a podcast to keep my mind fresh. When I reach school, I head straight to my classroom. I organize my desk, review my lesson plan, and ensure everything is ready for my students. My first class begins at 8 a.m. The students walk in with bright faces, and I greet them warmly. I start the lesson with enthusiasm to keep them engaged. I teach English using simple examples and interactive activities. I believe learning should be fun, and my students enjoy the creative methods I use. Seeing my students improve their language skills gives me great satisfaction. Their progress reminds me why I love teaching so much. During the lunch break, I sit with my fellow teachers in the lounge. We talk about our experiences and share ideas to improve our teaching styles. After lunch, I return to my classroom for more lessons. I focus on building my students' confidence in speaking, writing, and reading English. By 3 p.m., the school day ends. I spend some time organizing my desk and preparing for the next day. Staying organized is important for me. On my way home, I sometimes stop at a bakery to buy treats for my children. Their joy when they see the snacks makes me feel happy and loved. When I reach home, my children run to the door to welcome me. They hug me and start sharing their stories from school. I change into comfortable clothes and join my family in the living room. We talk, play games, or watch cartoons together. After some relaxation, I help my wife prepare dinner. Cooking together allows us to share the events of our day and enjoy each other's company. Dinner is a special family moment. We all sit at the table, enjoy the meal, and have meaningful conversations. My children love asking me questions about my job, and I enjoy listening to their ideas and dreams. Family dinners strengthen our bond. After dinner, I help my kids with their homework. Each of them has different subjects to study, and I guide them patiently. My youngest child loves bedtime stories. After homework, I sit with him and read his favorite book. This is a relaxing moment for both of us. Around 8 p.m., we start the bedtime routine. The kids brush their teeth, change into their pajamas, and get ready for bed. I tuck them into bed and kiss them goodnight. Their sleepy smiles melt my heart, and I feel grateful for being their father. Once the kids are asleep, I spend some quiet time with my wife. We sit in the living room, talk about our plans, or watch a TV show together. Around 10 p.m., I start preparing for the next day. I review my lesson plans, check emails, and think about how I can make my classes better. Teaching requires constant learning and planning. I enjoy this process because it helps me grow as a teacher and improve my skills. Before going to bed, I reflect on my day. I think about the positive moments and the lessons I learned. Gratitude fills my heart as I remember the smiles of my students and the love of my family. These are the things that make life meaningful. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into my sleepwear. By now, I feel relaxed and ready to sleep. As I lie in bed, I say a small prayer, thanking God for another beautiful day. Life may not always be perfect, but I feel blessed. I think about the goals I want to achieve and the things I need to do tomorrow. These thoughts give me a sense of purpose. Soon, my eyes start to close, and I drift off to sleep. Sleep is important because it gives me the energy to face another day. My days may seem ordinary, but they are filled with love, hard work, and joy. Each moment with my family and students is precious to me. Balancing work and family life is not always easy, but I try my best. The support of my wife and kids makes everything possible. Teaching is not just a job for me, it is a mission. I want to make a positive impact on the lives of my students. At home, being a father and husband is my greatest joy. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful family that fills my life with happiness. Every morning, I wake up with gratitude for the people I love and the work I do. This gratitude motivates me to give my best. My children inspire me to work harder and be a better person. Their laughter and curiosity remind me of life's simple pleasures. My wife is my biggest support system. She is my partner in everything, and I am thankful for her presence in my life. As I end my day, I feel content and hopeful. Each day brings new opportunities to grow, learn, and love. With these thoughts in mind, I fall asleep, ready to wake up and live another meaningful day tomorrow. Thanks for watching.